welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button along with that notification bell down below so you are notified every time I post a new video. So as you can tell by the title of this video, your girl is going to be testing out some temporary edges. Yes, you did hear that correctly. These are some temporary baby hairs. To be completely honest with you guys, I just feel like this is going to be not a good idea. Like, I don't know. It's just something that you see and you get intrigued by and you're like, hey, let me try, you know? So why not try this out right here with you guys? And you can see my live reaction and maybe learn something. I may be saving you guys this very moment by testing this out, or it's a sign that you should try them out for yourself. So I have a pack of 5 temporary baby hairs. I got them from Amazon. I will leave the link to my Amazon storefront down below. So if you guys want to try it out just for fun like I am, go ahead and do so. As you can see, they're different styles. I'll give you guys like a close-up, but I like it, you know. Let's just give this a quick observation. We got the classic swoop, and then we have a very like, you know, dramatic. She's giving sass, you know. It kind of reminds me of like Sweetie's baby hairs. Then we have a cute little swoop action. I feel like this is giving me more of like a simple everyday vibe. Okay, so this one, she's not doing too much. She's just showing like, hey, I'm here, but like I'm not going to be doing all that extra stuff today, you know, so I respect it. And then last but not least, we have this one, which is also giving me very much swoop, giving me the drama, but I don't know, I like this one. Alright, so by a quick observation, I am pretty impressed with how they look, not gonna lie. Like the strings of hair, it's the details for me. So you may be able to tell that I do have on a headband wig. If you do want to see my previous headband wig reviews, I will link them somewhere on the video and in the description box below. I do have my natural hair in cornrows, and what I did was just slick back my edges with some edge control, throw on a wig cap, and then throw on this hair. If you guys have watched my previous videos, you know that I love my kinky curly headband wig. But for this one specifically, I chose this wet and wavy look because I think it's going to blend really well with that baby hair swoopy vibe. So let's just get into it. I'm going to choose which one I want to try on. Okay. I'm going to go for the dramatics. I'm going to try this one. As you can see, I just applied the baby hair temporary tattoo, and then I saturated it with water using my continuous spritz bottle. Again, if you guys want to get this as well, I will attach it in the description box below. And I'm just pressing on this pretty firmly, trying not to move it. And I'm going to hold this down for like 30 seconds. This didn't even come with instructions. I just know usually you wait 30 seconds to like 45 seconds. So I'm going to do that. Let's see. Oh no. Okay, see, the top part is not on completely. The top part of the edge doesn't seem to be like adhering to my skin. I'm gonna take it off now. Why is it like, okay. You gotta be very, very gentle. Ooh, please, please. It kind of went into my natural sideburn area. The rat tail comb definitely did the trick a little bit. I just pressed it down for it to stick. I had a feeling this was going to be a problem, but what I'm realizing now is I should have lifted this up like to the middle right here, and it wouldn't have got in the way of my actual sideburn hairs, you know what I mean? Let me know what y'all think. This is a learning process, but it doesn't look too bad. I don't know how it looks for you guys on camera right now, but for me, you know, I'm not terrified. So now I also want to match it up. Like, I don't want to put this one in the middle necessarily and it be like lopsided. So I'm going to stick to how I had it and see how it turns out. This one I think was placed a lot better, but the top part, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. So all you gotta do is just spritz some water on it for it to blend to your skin. If you see makeup lines, just let me just wipe that off for you guys. But yes, do not wear makeup when you do this. I just put it on because the dark circles were dark today, okay? But I would not advise it. The edges are on, y'all. I don't even know what to say. Honestly, I'm not as shocked as I thought I would be. Like, this isn't feeling like a complete, tragic, horribly wrong idea, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna take some translucent setting powder and then just top this on top of my edges. Just lightly tap it. This step is going to make it not look too shiny on your skin, giving it a way more natural effect and also just helping it set. As you can see, it already is like, looks better because it doesn't look as shiny. I don't know, I typically wouldn't recommend this. I think just the translucent powder should be more than enough. But since we're experimenting right now, I'm going to take some setting spray and see if that helps the tat, you know, adhere more to my skin. I am back. As you can see, I threw on a headband and I don't hate it. I really don't. So typically I don't style my baby hairs like this. So I feel like if you know me in person, you would take a deeper look into this and be like, she did something different. So I definitely don't think I would wear this on an everyday basis. I would probably wear these on occasion. Like, honestly speaking, I feel like I would wear these. Like, I wouldn't be totally afraid because it doesn't look crazy. But I would be very mindful. So maybe in like dark lit settings, like a lounge type of vibe. If I'm out with some friends that know me and know that I'm just having fun with a style, a look. If I'm going to brunch or something and I have a cute headband on and I'm just setting a really sassy vibe, I plan on taking a lot of photos, I most likely would wear these. I most likely wouldn't wear this to work or on a first date or something, just because people tend to be really nosy in those settings, you know what I mean? Personally, I don't think they look crazy, and if you are struggling with edges, this is honestly ideal, especially the style that I have going on right here. My hair is completely protected, like it's not being touched. So that being said, if you plan on growing your edges back during the fall and winter time and you don't mind having this dramatic kind of effect, I feel like it might really be something that you want to look into. The option is out there, so why not try it? Don't let anybody shame you, okay? They're out here for a reason, but definitely don't let these define you. I personally think edges are just fun. For all my young girls out there watching, edges do not define you. Please do not go overboard and think having long swoopy hairs on your face makes you more ideal than another person, okay? You can literally have them all swooped back. But also now, don't let anyone shame you if you don't have the little swoops, because sis, you can buy it online, okay? And it's yours once you buy it. Alright, I just had to throw that out there because I try to be very mindful on the images that we portray, and of course there is a specific hair textures that can create these swoops very naturally, and my hair doesn't do that, which is totally fine. And as you can see, if I want to, you know, switch it up and have some fun, I can do that thanks to Amazon. For the pros, I do really like the overall concept of temporary baby hairs, because I feel like you can now entirely protect your hair. Because your edges are so hard to grow, and I feel like it's so easy to protect your you know, hair in general when you're wearing wigs, but your edges somehow get affected, you know, like you either have them out if you're doing like a half wig, or sometimes like your lace glue, like it's just a lot that can go into, you know, damaging your edges. Two, specifically for the pack that I purchased, I like that you have options to choose which kind of baby hairstyle fits you best. And I do like how natural the actual tattoo looks. Like the strands of hair, it's just impressive to me, like how it looks like strands of hair. I also like how quick and easy this was. Now, as far as cons go, personally, what I can see right now is just a little bit of the tattoo sticker peeling. So right here, like this side just did me dirty, like low key. This side, I'm feeling. This side right here, it looks shiny. And right here, I did learn that I would apply the edges more higher up so it doesn't interfere with my natural sideburns. So that's on me. But as far as the lifting goes, I don't know. I feel like maybe I had to apply it a little longer, but I do think it takes trial and error. So I don't want to completely say it's awful because this side doesn't look really bad. And since this is a temporary tattoo, you can remove it as you would with any other temporary tattoo that you apply to your skin. In that case, baby oil, coconut oil, olive oil, any makeup remover, or rubbing alcohol should do the trick to just rub them right off. And come to think of it, if you plan on putting your hair and edges in complete hibernation during these cooler months to really protect and grow your hair out, then this may be the product for you. I think it definitely does the trick. I definitely do think there is trial and error that is involved with this process. I already can see how I would redo this to try to avoid the sticker peeling a little bit. I do have 4 more to choose from. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys want to see another one of these appear in a future video. And also let me know if there's like a new beauty invention out there that you guys want me to try. I really enjoy trying new fun things like this. So overall, I do think they are worth the try. It doesn't hurt, you know, there's really no loss in this, and they're very affordable. That is it. That is all. Stay blessed, and I will see you guys very shortly in my next video.